Hello everyone and welcome to Growing with the Gold. I'm Michael Beck, here to show you how Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. Today we're getting the last kind of piece of our greenhouse setup in place. We're going to have a row of 30-gallon pots here. We're going to run these with tomato plants down the center. We're going to have some nice straight line trellising to get those tomatoes going up and anchored and support all those delicious fruit. And we're incorporating a little research and development. We've got our research and development greenhouses down below where we focus mostly on that. But up here in the food production warehouse, sometimes we get the benefit of playing with some of the things going on in R&D. We're going to be doing side-by-sides of all of our mixes with the tomatoes, East Coast versus West Coast. We'd love for you to check in, see how things are going throughout the season, see which mix is stacking up where and for what reasons. We'll keep you updated along the way. Well, here we are. Our tomatoes are in. We're almost wrapped up. Some side-by-side experiments, East Coast, West Coast. We're filling out the greenhouse. We really appreciate you checking in, liking, subscribing, sharing the content, comment, give us your tips and tricks. We can't wait to hear from you, what's going on in your garden, all the things you're learning as you go through your day-to-day, growing the food and plants that you love. Thanks for joining us on another Growing with the Gold to see what makes Royal Gold the gold standard in gardening. We'll see you next time.